Okay, I think I got everything. It's been like the probably 10th time when I went for something, came here, thought, yes, this is the moment when I can finally record, but no. There are the things like now, like fucking now, I just forgot my coffee. So be right back. Now I'm ready. Cheers. Yeah. So this is a long time no see that I've been on YouTube. Probably like 10 months or so. And the reason why is because I had a wedding in October, on 16th of October. And I was doing everything by myself and with my husband, of course, but I did a lot of things by myself and I wanted it to be damn perfect. Maybe I should use a curtain, right? I guess I will use a curtain. Anyways, welcome to my studio. How do you like it? I really like it. I was perfecting it for 2 years or so. It took a lot of money and a lot of patience and scrolling Instagram for things like this and for nice handmade things. So I just thought I would sit down today and talk to you for a while because I was too lazy to paint. Or actually not too lazy, but kind of burned out, you know. Yesterday I was painting from the morning, then cooking, then painting again, having some break, then painting again in the evening. So I kind of feel burned out from that marathon, and I guess today I just need a time for myself. I just thought I would show you my studio, Aryante Studio. It's not my real name though, my real name is Alex, but I wish I would be called Aryante because it's so cool and so original. Aryante is my nickname though for how many years? Oh my god, 20 I guess, because I'm 28 now. So I first discovered Aryante when I was 8, when I started playing some games, and Aryante was in Elvish dictionary. Fuck that son. Oh, go away. No, don't go away, I love you, but go away. So it was in some dictionary, and it meant something that I forgot. I'm so yellow. Okay, I hope it doesn't matter. Well, it will be like this because it's a nice sunny day. What can I say? If I'll be making video in 2 days, then it will be shitty, cloudy, and probably much better for videos, but I prefer this anyway. Yeah, so I'll show you my humble abode. Me and my husband, we share just 2 rooms and a bathroom. The bathroom is shared with his brother. But those 2 rooms are our sanctuary and I cherish them with all my heart. I'm glad for them and I try to make them as beautiful as possible. And also we share them with our 2 babies. I'll show them to you right away. It's so clean today because I clean for the video, you know. Most of the time it's not so clean, but I like this artistic mess anyway. It's my favorite place on earth. My favorite water bottle with my painting on it from Society 6. You have to stay hydrated. And some tiny red from October. Tiny paintings. The painting that I made for my wedding invitations. Yay! Wedding invitations. My notebooks, also from Society 6, and some other merch. Hi there. Oh, here is some stuff for packing, not much of it. I hide everything there, so even I don't have to see it because it's ugly. So this is the other room. It's still autumn here on the table, but on the next video there will probably be some wintry stuff, I guess. I haven't decided yet what to put there, but I hope something will inspire me. And here are the piggies. Hey! Oh, Daniel. There he is. And some poop. He's liking his bubbles. And here is another prince. Oh, he's a real prince for sure. Ring light, yes. Joshku. Joshku. Siedzi pohodlnie. Nim siedzi pohodlnie. I made this thing for him. And for all the piggies, I made all this stuff for the hay and everything. Of course it broke after a few days because they were pulling and pushing and everything what piggies do. Leave me alone, please. Just go away. Please. Ow. What else can I show you? Well, these paintings behind me. These are my acrylic ones. I really like them. I never get bored with them. It's weird, but I don't. This is like oil paints, and I wanted to put some 7 layers of oil, but I was too lazy and I just lost the idea. I just didn't do that. But I'm still going to, because I want it to be really, really dark. I don't know what I have with holes, but they just kind of pull me, you know, like the black hole in the universe. It's kind of cool, right? What the fuck am I talking about? Okay, and the other ones I wanted to try. They're not perfect, but I like them anyway. This is the corner. This one actually wasn't supposed to be like this, but there's like millions of holes behind those paintings, so I just left it there to cover the holes. Anyways, this one was painted by my mom when I was in high school. There's like mouth and the ear because I was going to music school and she thought it's connected somehow to me, to my education, so I might appreciate it, and I did. And follies. I'm kind of a flower mother, I think, because there's so many. This is it. This is my space. So this is how these are my orders already made and packed. These are my waiting ones. I always put them on the bed because I don't have any space where to put them. some already sketched ones. This one is gonna be amazing because they're alliums and some other flowers that I don't know how to call in English. And a bird box. It's gonna be so green and so purple. I cannot wait for it. I don't know how to call it. Anyway, it's in France. And it's gonna be beautiful landscape of the sea. Yep, that's it, what I can say with my poor English. And we're back in Aryante Studio. Anyway, the next video will be... I'm too much in the left. Now we're talking. Next video will be a tour of my sketchbook. It's not exactly a sketchbook, it's just a bunch of old paintings that I hated or I just didn't post on Instagram, so there's something to look forward to. And I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. Bye!